I made the choice as soon as they brought it up. I was like, sign me up, I want to go. Because I've heard so many good things about it. I'm going to school, I'm not like upset about it. So I'm trying to figure out how I can get this board away from the wall without denting it or anything. Good problem solving. You gotta be good at that if you want to actually learn the trade. The teachers, they treat you like adults. They don't treat you like a student, like they try to teach you the way of doing things like an adult. Just try it again, do it again, learn from your mistake, which is the kind of person you want to have teaching you. It's nice because you need something for a project. It comes with circular saws, grinders, sanders, nail guns. It's nice because you can just walk right in here and find it. And it's kind of just, you have to do different things every day. Different things, different skill sets. Because we'll be on a project for a week and then other things to take care of, and that's kind of how construction's gonna go.